Hi, the key fob for this Honda Accord 2011 is no longer working all the time. It's kind of intermittent, so I expect the battery is worn out. I'm going to use my new iFixit kit, which has a variety of attachments to remove small fasteners of many types. And there's just the right flat bit for that tiny screw. If you don't want to spend your time on your hands and knees looking on the floor for this little screw, put it in a safe place while you have it apart. There's a little notch on this cover, and these covers that you can get your fingernail underneath and gently pry apart. And this control circuit assembly will just pull out. Just get your fingernail under there and pry it out. And ta-da! There's the battery. And I don't have a CR1616, so it's off to the store. And this confirms that this battery is weak. It should be up 3.2, 3.3. Now let's compare this to a new battery. 3.3. Install the new battery, plus side down. Okay, that was easy enough. Now let's put it back together. Okay, we'll snap these two pieces together of the guts, the control circuit, the board, and the button panel. Just snaps together. And then take that part and fit it into the housing, the key housing. Snap that together. Top first. And turn our little micro screw back in. All right, let's check the trunk. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.